Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you see in my last video, I got the new graphics plastics seat put on, but I was waiting on a new pipe or repaired pipe, and fortunately, before spending nearly 700 bucks on a new pipe from Husqvarna, I found a local guy who fixes and builds two-stroke pipes out of his garage, and he was able to heat this up and bend it back to shape to work. I mean, it's obvious that it's been repaired, but for 40 bucks that he charges, it's a much better deal in my opinion than buying a new one. Anyways, the bike is now complete, ready for the snow to melt and spring. Go for a good ride without wiping out and hitting the tree again.